Hey, it's Jared from Impact 90, and today we're going to talk about how to add an image or a video to the background of your website. All right, so just like the last video where we talked about how to add a video, today we're going to continue on that theme and talk about how to add a background image like this one here, or how to add a video instead of an image. So first we'll go to Pages, and remember we're in an index section, and this is a basic page, and we know it's image because we're matching that. And we're going to go into the gear icon. We'll go to Media, and then we're just going to hit Remove Image, and we'll hit Search for Image, and then we'll put up this picture of whatever this is, the mountaintop, the sun going down or the sun going up. And this is how you add an image to the background of your website. It's very, very simple. You go into the gear icon, Media, do that, and I'm going to hit Save. As soon as I do that, that photo of the woman will go away, and the new photo will be there. So now that will be part of my website. Now, if I want to change this photo and make it into a video, it's the exact same process. So go in here, go to Image, hit the gear icon, go to Media, and up here there's an image and there's a video. I'm just going to click on Video. And then it says you need a YouTube or a Vimeo URL. So you can't upload something from your desktop. It has to already live on the internet because it's just going to go pull that over and play that live. So we'll go here. This is just some nature video in 4K. And I'm going to hit copy. And then I'm just going to hit save. And once again, this is just random footage I pulled off the internet just for this tutorial. And then here's my site. And then there you go. There's the footage. It looks like it's not loading as quickly as it should, but there you go. Depending on the file type, depending upon my internet, that is the current situation. But this is a great way to be able to add a real kick to your website without doing much. If you already have video, maybe you're a construction worker and you have a time lapse of you, building a home, this is a great place to put it. Once again, this is just happening because my internet has been kind of slow, but normally it will run. One thing to note is that you won't have audio. There will be no audio in this as it is a passive video. So we're going to switch that back to the photo that it was. So I'll go, and if I want to change the background photo, I hit the gear icon. And then that's going to open up. I go to Media. And then it will be showing the video, but I'm just going to X that out. And I'm going to go to Image. And I want to change that back, so I'll hit Remove Image. And I'll hit Add Image. And I'm going to pick the sample Sophia image from my desktop. That's going to load. I'll hit Save. And that is essentially it. Adding background images or videos to your website can add a lot more, make them a lot more dynamic and really kind of pop without adding too much weight to the website, without adding, another massive page with info and text. So that is really all I wanted to cover today. We'll see you in the next video where we're going to talk about how to add a PDF to your website. Thanks so much.